How are you all? Today I want to stress on one thing, that is impermanence of life. Impermanence of life is what is there and we cannot do without it. So we need to learn with it and constantly keep growing also and be contented in life. And with this, you're going to learn with my storytelling and you're learning a little English. And let's start now. So listen to me. There were once four trees, and they were growing on top of a mountain. And while they were growing on top of a mountain, they all had their own perspectives. The first three trees, let me tell you, the first three trees were not contented with themselves, but they were all the time wasting time how to grow big, how to look more robust, how to have more thicker leaves, and how to be dominating over the others. And the fourth tree was contented, was very happy, was happy to be a tree. So you see, it was growing on its own, it was having a full life, was enjoying itself. And now one day what happens, a carpenter comes, a woodcutter comes and then cuts the three trees. And the three trees, one of the tree is made into a gate, the other tree is made into a place of worship, and another has been put into a ancient monument. And the structure has been made with the wood of that tree. So now these trees are very happy, that they've made a real mark in their lives, and they are, their wood has been utilized for so many different ways, and they have got a charisma in themselves. And so they were very happy with what has happened to them. But one fine day the war comes and mass devastation, destruction takes place, and all these three trees are destroyed completely. And now what happens is, the fourth tree there on the mountain is still living very happily. And then it thinks about growing, it thinks about creating those seeds and getting them planted on the mountain so that other trees also grow. So you see, if we have that thought process in our mind, that we remain creative and we start doing things with effort, effort which is endless and in continuation, hard work always pays. And we need to be contented with what we have. Not that we want what others are going to judge us, what they think about us, how we are going to perform, and we are always conscious about the society. No, we must live for ourselves, be happy with each day, each moment. Same goes for your English. Learn the language confidently, think in English, make it a habit. Like, you get up in the morning and brush your teeth. So it's a habit with you. Speaking anything aloud is a habit with you. May it be in any other language. So start thinking in English, Who, what, where, how. Question yourself with all the actions which are taking place in life to you yourself and to others. And after you question all these, but you should be doing it in English only. You yourself should be thinking in English. Give yourself an environment to speak in English. And I'm sure if you do that, very shortly you will become very confident, because it is your own efforts. You have to instill it inside you that we need to think in English and then speak in English. It's very easy, I'm telling you. It's very easy. What I am doing, you can also do it. So just try doing it. But then master all the four skills of English: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Tip for you for today. All the very best.